Hi, I'm Brad Rosley. Thanks for tuning in again today. I've got some very exciting news. I've spent the last 6 months writing a book. Not just any book, but a special book that can help you. It's called Beyond Money. Timeless tips to help you get financial wellness. I've been in private practice now as a certified financial planner for over 25 years. During that time, I've seen everything. I've seen people with basic problems in cash flow management, debt management, people that want to save for a new home, people that have had serious issues with their finances. I also work with people that are trying to save for their kids' college, their retirement, and even doing legacy planning. If this sounds like something that you have questions about, this book is for you. It's not your typical boring finance book. This book has real stories about not just my life, but my clients' lives and what they've done as far as the strategic methods to achieve success financially. Also weaved into this book is a fictional story about two men in a hospital. It's a touching story, and they share what they wish they would have done with their finances and some of the things that they've done and done well with. This book is on Amazon right now. Beyond Money's only been out now for a short period of time, and immediately it made the Amazon bestseller list. I'm so excited. I gotta tell you, I'm very proud. It's available on Kindle for download, or you can buy it and get the actual hard copy. It's only 150 pages long, but it's filled with great advice on all the topics I mentioned a minute ago. I hope you'll take a look at it, share it with your friends, because I'm really excited about this book, and I really think it can make an impact on your life. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, and good luck to you. Peace and prosperity.